name is Leo.
बाइक नहीं बोलेंगे यार, सुपर बाइक है
Super.
मोर देन अ लाख
More than a lakh kilometers
Bike
covered
क्या?
on a bike. Every bike एक character होता है. It's up to you as a biker. It's not the bike that is limiting. It's you.
व्हाई डू यू राइड?
It gives me peace. जो word biker है ना, हम लोग उसको बहुत ही generically use करते हैं. Anyone who has a passion to go to places, I would say that is a biker.
सो जब तुमने स्टार्ट किया था ना बाइक राइड करना, वाज दैट द टाइम व्हेन योर डिवोर्स थिंग हैपनिंग?
Biking gave me a connect towards something that I used to do but in a different way. जो मेरा एक ही concern था वो था कि how would my son take it?
Is he attached to you?
He was, but I would say now not.
Is your attachment also fading away? Are you going to remarry?
A relationship is not your definition of happiness, right?
ना चाहिए लाइफ
के साथ में कोई नहीं है ऐसा नहीं होता है. You always have yourself.
वाओ. So I want you to introduce yourself कि आप करते क्या हो?
Okay. My name is Leo, and I'm your friend. Rahul and I. You use Rahul?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. हाँ, नहीं मतलब anonymous.
Yeah.
But yeah, so Rahul and I were in college together. We've spent 3 years during our engineering phase. Talking about myself, I am a person who loves to travel a lot. Professionally, I work as a product manager. But the passion has always been to travel, and photography has been another passion. So I kind of mix both of them, photography and travel. So that's a little bit brief about me. Yeah.
Can I call you a biker?
Sure. Yes. I mean, a recent discovery, I would say. मतलब मेरा I always thought that कि what would be my passion, right? Like, I mean, after a certain point in life, आप देखते हो अपने आप को कि आप जिंदगी में कहाँ जा रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या करने से आपको खुशी मिलती है. एंड बाइकिंग वाज, आई थिंक, मेरा, लाइक यू से द कॉलिंग, राइट? लाइक द कॉलिंग which kind of gives me peace and contributes to my happiness. So yeah, biker is a good way to describe that feeling. Yes, but yes, yeah.
कौन सा बाइक है?
I have a couple of bikes. I have मेरे पास एक Kawasaki Z900 है, which is a 2019 model, and on which I have done around 65,000 kilometers. And I have another one, a recent one, 3 years old, a Ducati Multistrada, जिस पे मैंने 47,000 kilometers rather अब तक किया हुआ है. तो
More than a lakh
more than a lakh kilometers
Bike
covered on bike. I've been to
बाइक नहीं बोलेंगे यार, सुपर बाइक है तुम्हारे
super
पास.
bikes, so let's say super bikes. इंडिया के चारों कॉर्नर्स ऑफ इंडिया हो चुका है, लाइक नॉर्थ लेह लद्दाख, ईस्ट में असम एंड अरुणाचल, वेस्ट में गुजरात, ढोलावीरा विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ द वेस्टर्न बॉर्डर, एंड डाउन साउथ कन्याकुमारी एंड केरला विच इज़ माई होम टाउन. एंड अब ऑल्सो, मतलब, और एक इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप भी हो चुका है जिसमें भूटान हम लोग गए थे. सो लास्ट ईयर भी हम बाइक पे भूटान भी होके आए थे. तो या, आई मीन, प्रीटी वेल कवर्ड.
यार जो इतना, मतलब हाउ मच दिस मल्टीस्ट्राडा कॉस्ट?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So back in the day when जब मैंने खरीदा था तब it costed me around on road. But now with all the GST and all, the prices have increased. So yeah, you can call them.
So my question is, so मैं जो लॉन्ग टूर पे जाना है 10 लाख में भी मिलता है बाइक, ठीक है?
Yes.
क्या डिफरेंस क्रिएट करता है?
See, every bike एक कैरेक्टर होता है. Every bike has a character, right? Now there are different categories of bikes, right? तो कुछ बाइक्स ऐसे होते हैं जो आपको सिटी के लिए, सिटी पर्पसेस में यूज़ होते हैं. सो you want आप अपने ऑफिस के लिए, डेली कम्यूट के लिए यूज़ करना चाहोगे, राइट? कुछ बाइक्स ऐसी होती हैं जो आपको लॉन्ग टूर्स पे
tour के
लेके
लिए।
जाते हैं, राइट। यू कैन आप बाइक दिन में 800 900 1000 किलोमीटर आप चलाना चाहोगे तो ऐसे टूरर्स मिलते हैं। कुछ बाइक्स आपको ऑफ रोड लेके जाते हैं, जैसे जहाँ पे कुछ माउंटेन ट्रेल्स हैं जहाँ पे एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस है, रोड्स नहीं हैं, यू आर कंप्लीटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन योर स्किल, सो देर आर बाइक्स फॉर दैट। देन देर आर बाइक्स फॉर द ट्रैक, जो आप रेस ट्रैक पे चलाते हो, विच आर स्पेसिफिकली ट्रैक ओरिएंटेड। नाउ मेरा जो पैशन है और जो मैं बाइकिंग के द्वारा करना चाहता था, ट्रैवलिंग, that segment is called the touring segment, right? So usme you have some bikes which are, let's say, less costly and some bikes which are more in price, right? जैसे Ducati है, it's an imported bike, right? But उसका एडवांटेज बोल लो या वो ये है कि you don't have to worry about a lot of things, right? It takes care of the comfort you have, the long distances. You can once you fill up the petrol, you can go as long as 250 300 kilometers non-stop. It's up to you as a biker. It's not the bike that is limiting, it's you. आपके fitness, आप कितना देर, आपका endurance उस पे dependent है, right? So if you want to travel a lot, the bike allows you to do that. Let's say जैसे आपने पूछा कि 10 लाख की बाइक क्यों नहीं, right? So there might be certain limitations on those kind of bikes where it might not have a bigger tank capacity या उसके parts इतने
नहीं, मैं एग्जांपल देके पूछता हूँ, जैसे रॉयल इनफील्ड है,
Himalayan is yes, you can use
it's a
Himalayan.
tourer, right?
It's a tourer. It's a category of tourer. But the way it handles versus the way a Ducati Multistrada would handle is completely different. The
comfort wise,
power, speed, and braking, which is more important than speed. मतलब आप किसी भी गाड़ी को आप 150 160 तक चला लोगे, बट देन वहाँ से जब आपके सामने कोई ऑब्स्टिकल आएगा तो क्या वो रुक पाएगी? एंड दैट इज वेयर द ब्रेकिंग ऑफ द बाइक ऑल्सो इज इम्पॉर्टेंट। सो दीज काइंड ऑफ बाइक्स, अगर आप एग्जाम्पल ले लोगे, ट्रायम्फ हो गया या डुकाटी हो गया या BMW हो गया, दीज काइंड ऑफ बाइक्स आर made and tested, and there's a purpose to those kind of things, right? So it serves those purpose. So it is not about versus at 10 lakh, it is the purpose that it is solving, right? So अब जैसे just to give you an example, मैं यहाँ से केरला गया था on solo ride. I did it. यहाँ से बैंगलोर गया, बैंगलोर में हमारे फ्रेंड्स थे, उनके पास रुका. I did पुणे बैंगलोर in about 12 to 13 hours. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं like I was breaking all speed rules and मतलब like it just allowed me to ride much faster and much smoother, taking less breaks.
So what's the recommended speed on a super bike when you're on a highway?
हाँ, मतलब see, every highway has a different speed limit. So कुछ highways के 80 होते हैं, कुछ के 100 होते हैं. Wherever there is a speed limit, you can go there. But Indian highways में आप you have to be always careful. Even if जैसे अगर हम बोलेंगे कि हम 100 पे चलाते हैं, right? That is not a average speed. Average will be around 50 to 60, क्योंकि आपको एक जैसे टाउन्स के बीच में से हाईवेज जाते हैं, तो जहाँ पे आपको कोई ट्रैफिक नहीं है, कोई टाउन के थ्रू नहीं जा रहा है, वहाँ पे आप चला सकते हो एट अ हायर रेट. बट वंस यू आर इन द टाउन, यू हैव टू रिड्यूस.
कोई भी आ सकता है. ओके, ठीक है. सो हाउ इज योर बैक? इतना राइड करते हो, बैक का एक्स्ट्रा केयर लेना पड़ता है?
यस, बैक से ज़्यादा, या आई मीन बैक, शोल्डर्स, रिस्ट, एवरीथिंग में दर्द अब मतलब वो पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ हो गया, पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ हो गया है. बट दैट इज वेयर आई ऑल्सो एक्सरसाइज एवरी डे.
So bikers have to do
yes,
this. All the bikers which are in this community, they have to take extra care of their body.
And health is a part of your biking journey, right? So I exercise every day. I go to the gym 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday I go for rides, right? So morning rides
every Saturday
Sunday non-stop, and then we have our long rides once a quarter. let's say an overnight stay once in 6 months. So we do a mix of tours, right?
You go
Yeah.
solo or
बोथ मतलब जब मैं मतलब यूजुअली वीकेंड में एक दिन मैं सोलो प्रेफर करता हूँ और एक दिन हमारे ग्रुप है तो उस ग्रुप के साथ जाता हूँ.
why do you ride?
You can call it gives me peace. It gives me peace. When I'm on my bike, जो आपके जो your thoughts are, your mind is much more silent. You are with yourself. You understand yourself, who the person you are, right? Like you have no other distractions, or rather you're with your thoughts, right? That's what I would say. And you get time for yourself to analyze a lot of things in your mind, obviously not when you are concentrating on the road, but also आपको टाइम मिलता है अपने लाइफ चॉइसेस के बारे में सोचने के लिए. यू टॉक टू योर सेल्फ. हेलमेट के अंदर में बातें होती हैं जो आप अपने
खुद
से
से
करते
करते
हो,
हो.
खुद से करते हो. एंड समवेयर it gives me मतलब it gives me peace, right? It is a way to calm myself down, take myself away from a lot of let's say stressful situations. It could be personal, it could be professional, but it takes away a lot of your anxiety. And once you're on the road, um, early morning sunrise is the best time you can. It's like your meditation, right? किसी को like, I mean, a lot of people would prefer to do breathing exercises, meditate. What is that? I mean, it is sitting with yourself, right? Sitting with your own thoughts. I am sitting on a bike with my own thoughts. It's that's the difference, I would say, right? So yeah, it gives me happiness, it gives me peace, it gives me the calm. Yeah, it keeps my mind calm. I would say that, yeah.
what's the longest stretch ride? कितना लंबा सबसे किया है तूने?
Um, अगर एक टाइम का पूछा, like one shot,
yeah.
one shot पूछा, तो I did my so I did a Pune to Pune, like it's like I went home back to my hometown in Kerala. That was the longest tour I did. That was about 3,500 kilometers that I did. But उसमें से when I rode from Kerala to Goa, that was the longest in a day, about 800 odd kilometers.
एक बार में?
एक बार में मतलब like obviously you
in a
take
day?
stops in a day.
Okay.
Yes, so 14 hours. It took me 14 hours to ride that, crossing 3 states, stopping for fuel, washroom breaks, food breaks, and then reaching the destination.
Have you ever driven Royal Enfield kind of bike, उस
Yes.
range का bike for long periods?
Yes, yeah. So
Is
हम लोग जब ले गए थे, sorry, my first time हम जब ले गए थे, so it was with my office colleagues, right? So हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे bikes rent किए थे. So those were the Himalayans, but those were not long stretches. Like those were about 100 odd kilometers in a day kind of stretches, right? लेह में आप usually इतना लंबा नहीं करते हो. Within लेह आप 120 kilometers max करते हो दिन का, तो है. So yeah, that's what it is. So
what I'm trying to understand that नहीं है मेरे पास पैसे. Can I still go for such long rides?
Yes.
I have my own घर वाला city bike.
Yes, आराम से. I do not differentiate और
No,
मेरे हिसाब
that's
से
your goodness. But see, ये entire this biking thing का जो
Yeah.
community है ना, when I see them on internet, it's
Yeah.
like ये भयंकर वाले super bikes,
So
तगड़े gears.
there are ये सही बात. I mean, I'm not going
and
to.
it's so flashy.
Yes,
and
I'm
then
not
मैं
going
middle class
to-
गरीब
correct.
आदमी को लगेगा यार ये तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकता.
हाँ, so that is where I think एक इमेज क्रिएट हो गया, राइट? लाइक whenever somebody कोई बोलता है कि मैं बाइकर हूँ, राइट? सो बाय डिफॉल्ट सबके मन में रहता है कि ही हैज अ सुपर बाइक, he is well off, right? And things like that. But for us or our group, and that's why I'm part of a group, although it is a Ducati specific group, but hum log, like the people who are there do not have that mentality, right? The mentality is any bike that you have, and it could be your scooter. I will call a Activa also a bike, right? I will call an Activa also a bike. जब हम ले गए थे, I have seen people on Activa who have come from Kerala to Leh riding that
Activa से?
Activa, right?
ओह!
So
ये तो
that
अलग लेवल हो गया भाई।
exactly, right? So that is what is a biker. A biker does not
एक्टिवा पहाड़ पे चढ़ सकती है?
चढ़ सकते हैं, चढ़ सकते हैं। इट्स हम वेस्पा देखे थे 125 सीसी की वेस्पा, राइट? सो जो वर्ड बाइकर है ना, हम लोग उसको बहुत ही जेनरिकली यूज करते हैं, राइट? सो एनीवन हु हैज अ टू व्हीलर has a passion to go to places and is not afraid of being on the road for more than a day, right? I would say that is a biker. You are not it is not the machine that is defining the biker, right? It is the person, और उसके अंदर का जो जज्बा है, उसमें अंदर में जो जुनून है, that is what it is. There was an uncle, 55-60-year-old uncle around that time, जो स्प्लेंडर पे थे. He had his bag tied to his splendor. He was riding all the way from Gujarat to Leh, and he was alone. He was it was about a month that he was on the road, right? He used to camp wherever possible and he was traveling, and that is a biker. I mean, तो आपका जो क्वेश्चन है अराउंड लाइक वुड कैन एनीबडी बिकम अ biker? फॉर श्योर एनीबडी. आपके पास टू व्हीलर है, साइकिल भी हो, राइट? इफ दैट ऑल्सो टेक्निकली, ऑब्वियसली इट विल टेक मोर टाइम, एफर्ट एंड योर strength, stamina, everything. You are bound your limits, but it doesn't mean that there's a एक मिसकंसेप्शन हो गया है इंटरनेट पे विद ऑल द सोशल मीडिया वेयर पीपल विद सुपर बाइक्स हैव मोर फ्लैशी लाइफस्टाइल. आप उनको देखोगे स्टंट्स कर रहे हैं, फास्ट चला रहे हैं, या दे आर दे आर शोइंग ऑफ देयर बाइक्स. दैट इज वन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ a certain segment of people who have that, right? That is not the community. If you, agar aap in general, Pune mein, if I take an example, Pune mein there are close to more than 100 groups of bikers, 100 groups of bikers, right? So there can be ek specific type, make and model ke bike ka group. There can be friends who are just having different types of bikes and they form a group. ऐसे there are many groups. Now if you, अगर आप majority of the groups के पास जाके उनसे बात करेंगे, the whole, you'll understand that this kind of flashiness, this kind of show off, this kind of what they consider ki एक let's say 600 cc above is only what is called a biker and things like that. ये एक बहुत ही minority है. I mean they are and more than, like, people will always keep them away. मतलब आपको, they will never be part of any good reputed kind of brands or anything. They're just showing off on the internet. Social media allows that to do. Social media allows you to grow in that fashion. That's a completely different thing. But a proper, a true to heart biker जिसको आप बोलते हो, they will always have a passion for riding, and they will never judge anybody based on the bike that gets them. It's always the person, it's never the bike. Yeah.
Do you have women biker also?
Yes, there are there's a dedicated group called as the Bikerni in Pune and Bombay, and they have chapters all around the things, and we in हमारे group में भी हैं, there are women riders. In fact, I have a few close friends of mine. One is a national level race champion, TVS national level race champion, all India ranked one in India. So she rides much better than I do, right? So and there are other bikers as well who have done different expeditions, gone to Leh, Ladakh on their own. So if you've heard about the story of, अभी एक मूवी आई थी, गुलपनाग नहीं, there was a movie that had recently come out where a group of women had ridden to Leh, Ladakh.
तीन औरतें थी,
तीन और
उसमें एक
चार
एजेड भी
औरतें,
थी,
हाँ,
60 पे.
right.
हाँ,
So
I've
that
seen this
is
one.
actually
True story.
that is the story of the Bikerni group.
ओह
those are my friends who जिनके ऊपर based है वो story. I mean, one of them is my friend, and then her group is what that story is based on. So they are the ones who are the real life people who have done that.
वाओ
Yeah. So it is a true story based on their story actually. So technically, I mean, you're linked or you're close to that. So, yeah, absolutely. And it's the same thing for them as well. It is not about, so most of them, there are drag races. So drag race is where it's just a straight line airfield में runway पे आप कितना fast मतलब 100 meters, 200 meters, 250 meters आप कितने, like how fast can you do that? There's a national level female champion as well who's from Pune as well, right? So that doesn't, so that's one aspect. Then there are women riders who are again on the track, who do stunting, who do off-roading, who do regular touring and things like that. So it's again, and they also have different types of bikes. कुछ low end bikes हैं, low cc के bikes हैं. Some of them have like 1,000cc bikes as well. And I have quite a few friends who we go on rides every Saturday, Sunday, or most of the weekends, and we tour and we go as well, right? So there's no gender kind of thing. Gender से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इसमें, right? So yeah.
सो जब तुमने स्टार्ट किया था ना बाइक राइड करना, वाज दैट द टाइम व्हेन योर डिवोर्स थिंग हैपनिंग?
Yes. So
इज दैट कनेक्टेड टू इट?
I would say, yes, in a way. I used to ride bikes before ऐसा नहीं है कि that was the starting point of it. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. I used to have a Kawasaki Ninja 300cc bike back in 2015. So before I moved, I had gone out of India for a couple of years. I used to have the bike at that time as well, and I used to ride at that time as well. The intention at that time was to give myself a little bit of time, because at that time it was not like the marriage was collapsing or anything, but at that time it was just an activity, a weekend activity, which kind of रेगुलर वीकडे का काम से थोड़ा अपना माइंड एक दिन, एक वीकेंड का, या तो सैटरडे या फिर संडे, एक 3-4 घंटे just go out, visit a few places and come back and things like that. It was there. But then after coming back and after this whole divorce thing happened, biking gave me let's say a connect towards something that I used to do, but in a different way. In a different way in the sense, जहाँ पे it became a part of my extension to what I feel when I could express myself in a way through my biking journeys, right? So going to places, clicking pictures of not just the bike is an aspect of it, but visiting places which I didn't even know existed. मतलब मैं पुणे में 20 साल से रहा हूँ, but I probably didn't know that these kind of places existed, right? So एक exploratory mode में जाने का, and that kind of opened my mind to a different thing. Traveling does that to you, right? जब आप travel करते हो तो आपको there's two ways to do traveling, right? I mean you travel a lot as well, right? So one is where you create a plan and आप 1, 2, 3 प्लेस जाते हो एजेंडा लेके कि हाँ आपने ओके पुणे आए हो तो आपने शनिवार वाड़ा देखा क्या, आपने बोटेनिकल गार्डन देखा क्या, आपने आगा खां पैलेस देखा क्या, आपने लाइक ऑल द हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस देखे, एंड आपने भाकरवाड़ी खाई कि नहीं, एंड देन दैट्स इट, राइट? सो यू टिक, आपने चेक बॉक्स कर दिया, एंड आप मीडियम लाइक आप सोशल मीडिया में जाके पोस्ट करोगे कि मैंने पुणे देख लिया. That's one way of traveling, right? Touristy, right?
हाँ.
Yeah. And an actual traveler would not have any plans.
There's no agenda.
There's no agenda, right? So I think एक shift आया after the divorce was from the touristy to the traveler kind of thing. So you go on bikes to places, you have a destination in mind, but you do not have a time or a कि इतने बजे ही वहाँ तक जाना है, इतने बजे वापस आना है, ऐसा नहीं, और बीच में नहीं रुकना है या कैसा नहीं. मतलब take the low road less traveled बोलते हैं ना, मतलब you go through different aspects, you go enjoy the destination, sit there for some time. आप एक destination में जाते हो, वहाँ पे ये नहीं कि आप just वहाँ, हाँ मैं वहाँ गया इसलिए वो एक गूगल मैप पे एक टिक बॉक्स के लिए आप गए हो, बट यू एंजॉय द प्लेस, यू टॉक टू द लोकल पीपल आउट देयर, यू एंजॉय, यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे आर, आप बात करते हो, एंड that's a traveler, I would say. So the difference between, let's say, prior to let's say 2015 Leo was more a touristy kind of biking journey, and 2019 onwards was more a traveler kind of journey. Yeah.
Are you completely out of your divorce thing now? Is it in?
Yes, I would say yes. Matlab, it is an aspect where it's a part of life. There is it's a phase of life, and there was a phase of life जहाँ पे you are socially, socially अगर आप उसको term करोगे तो you are married, and now let's say you are divorced, right? Or you're single. I would say single, right? So but then that I am out of that. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब there are thoughts और रात को सपने आते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
सपने आते थे पहले?
नहीं, I would not say ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा सपने नहीं आते थे, but there was a time, let's say back in 2018 and 2019 when I came back from Australia, was when there used to be a thought, मतलब जब रात को ऐसा लगता था कि like you start questioning yourself, right?
क्यों
Like
हुआ ये सब?
क्यों हुआ, मेरे ही
went
साथ
wrong?
क्यों हुआ, what went wrong, क्या कर सकता था मैं, right? क्या नहीं कर सकता था, what was.
So just give me a perspective.
Yeah.
So I know that ये love marriage था.
Yes, yeah.
How many years of affair you had?
So we were classmates. We were classmates for 3 years, and then after college another year, and then we got married, right? So and we were married for 11 years. So total I would
For
say
15
15 years. Yeah, 15
11 year of marriage.
of marriage, yes. Yeah.
11 year of love marriage.
Yes.
And you have a kid also.
Yes.
Girl or boy?
Boy.
Oh, so okay. So something went wrong.
Yeah, something went wrong. Matlab, now I don't sit and analyze. This was me back in 2018, right? कि जब मैं सोचता था कि like मैं क्या कर सकता था different, या क्या हुआ, क्या जो बोलते हैं ना closure के लिए, right? You try to find the reasons for your closure, right? Like it was.
I'm still wondering यार कि 15 साल का, it's not arranged marriage, but 15 years of love marriage, वो भी टूट सकता है?
Yes, obviously. See, जब it's two people, right? Two individual people coming from different backgrounds, coming together, falling in love, and trying to make a life. ठीक है? Life choices, career choices, plans, goals, there's a lot of difference, and every individual, हर एक individual का एक अलग aspect होता है, life को जीने का तरीका होता है, goals होते हैं, and some people want to compromise, some people don't want to compromise, right? So everybody has it's an individual choice that everybody has, right? So I would not say there's no right and wrong answer to it, right? ऐसा there's no, आप रीजन पूछने जाओगे तो 15 years में ऐसा क्या हुआ, you fall in love and you fall out of love, right? So ऐसा नहीं है कि this was.
Can you fall out of love?
Yes, you can fall out of love there, and I feel हमारे केस में वही हुआ. We once we decided to separate, at that point of time, we were not in love. If we were in love, we would have found a different alternative to the decision of separating, right? It was our decision. हमने decide किया था mutually साथ में आने का, and it was our decision to separate as well. That there was no hard feelings. There was no rona dhona,
Was it
and
not ugly? No.
it was not at all ugly. It was very professional. It was very cordial. It was hard. It was very hard. It was very hard on both of us. But it was to a stage where both of us were mature, and the only thing मतलब जो मेरा एक ही पॉइंट था, या जो मेरा एक कंसर्न था, वो था कि हाउ वुड माय सन टेक इट, राइट? I'm very proud of him as a 6-year-old. He understood what was going on, and somewhere down the line he was mature enough to, obviously it will be very hard on him, but I mean somewhere down the line he it was okay for him as well. And for me, giving him the best of his life and the मतलब जो उसको as his future, the best that I could do at that time was to let him be with his mom and stay in Australia, back in Australia. That was, I felt, the best decision for
That
him
time.
at that time, and it is as well. It's a good time.
How old is he now?
He's 14 years old
14
now.
years.
14, yeah.
मिलना होता है उससे?
नहीं, I don't, I mean, he lives in Australia, so technically, I mean, physically तो मिलना नहीं होता है. मतलब we talk on the phone whenever it happens. It is not frequent. It is maybe once in 6 months, once in 8 months, and something like that. Yeah.
Is he attached to you?
He was, but I would say now not. Because over the years, the distance does impact your relationship, and when you're not in touch with someone, distances start growing into relationship, and that happens. It's okay. And he's a kid who's growing. He has his own priorities. It's okay. I mean, that's part and parcel of relationship with your
What about
family.
you? Are you is your attachment also fading away?
I would not say. See, what will you call as an attachment? When how will you define an attachment? Like,
You can't live
thinking
with
of
that person. You can't
the
live without that person.
that is not how I would define Leo as a person as well.
Okay.
It's not a part of me as a person itself, right? So,
No, I'm
I
talking,
am-
was that Leo in 20 divorce के time पे जो mental status था और अभी जो है, is it more evolved in terms of your son?
I still love him, right? And I will never stop loving him for sure. That aspect never changes. If he ever decides to come back to me, for sure, I will welcome him with open hands, open arms, and that aspect will not change. Now, do I every day think of him and cry over him, or spend my energy in thinking what can I do, plotting? ये वो नहीं, not. I don't want to spend my energy in a way where but I don't want to cry over things which are not in
Not
my
in your
not
control.
in my control, right? He's a kid. As per the court ruling, I have full access to him. So if I decide tomorrow I need to go and visit him, I can do that legally. मतलब ऐसा कोई problem नहीं है. And tomorrow, once he becomes a legal age where he's a legal adult, if he wants to come back and stay with me, I'll be more than happy to do that. But on a day-to-day basis, क्या मैं उसके बारे में मतलब, do I ponder over that person, and do I actually have to spend my energy in doing that? No, I mean, I want to live my life.
वो देखेगा ये
the best.
podcast.
हाँ?
वो देख सकता है वो.
देख सकता है तो देखे. That's okay. I mean, I'm not saying anything wrong. I mean, it is he has an individual. He is an individual. He'll take his own choices, right? If he decides not to stay with me, that's also fine, right? I mean, as an individual, every one of us has
But
a
if he
choice.
decides to stay with you, that is also fine. with you.
Yes, yeah.
So basically, you moved on.
Yes, I mean, I feel so. You, like, when you compare 2018 or 2019, let's say 2019 versus 2026, move on का बहुत ही like हर एक का अलग definition होता है, right? I mean everybody has a different way to define, way to let's say look at it as well, right? At perspective बोल सकते हो, right? Like how would you say that you've moved on, right? Do you you never think about like बिल्कुल भी like you getting a thought of the person or the situation, let's say, or a decision, right? Never ever thinking about that decision or situation, is that moving on? Or the thought coming to your mind but not affecting you,
Yeah.
right? That I feel is what is called as moving on, right? Not thinking about a person or a situation means you were never fully involved in that person, right? So you would always have memories, you would always have, आपके फोन में
Im-
आपके पास
impressions
फोटोज रहते
होते
हैं,
हैं, yeah.
impressions होते हैं, आप फोटोज देखते हो, you scroll and suddenly you see a photo from long back
Yeah, yeah.
about the person. That it should not happen that suddenly that photo coming in front of you, आप
Makes you cry.
हाँ मतलब आप
Makes-
सडनली वीक हो जा रहे हो, राइट?
अब
एंड यू
ऐसा नहीं
कैन
होता
नॉट,
है?
नहीं,
If it's your
I
ex-wife's
do not,
photo.
no, absolutely not.
Nothing.
In fact, my Instagram, if you go, I mean, if you've seen the first few posts or first few tens of posts are there. I did not
But
delete it.
you don't go back and see
No,
also.
I do not go back.
So,
Why do you want to go back? मतलब क्यों जाना चाहोगे आप वापस? क्यों जाना चाहोगे आप वापस? I mean, the question is, if it comes in front of you, yes, for sure. I mean, it's okay. But then if it's not affecting you, you don't want to, you're not living your life in the past.
So are you indifferent to it now? Or
I
it's
mean, indifferent in the sense
or
it
you
doesn't
just-
cause, it doesn't trouble me. It doesn't trouble me, right? मतलब ये देख के नहीं, मतलब it is not कि I go back every day and say, oh, that was the day, अच्छा ये हुआ था उस दिन, अच्छा वो किया था हमने, अच्छा हमने दिवाली मनाई थी साथ में, अच्छा हमने
but
होली
nothing, you
मनाए
moved
थे.
on.
Yes,
You
so
moved on. You
yes.
perfectly moved on.
Yeah,
I'm very
so-
happy about it.
Yeah.
Okay, what next coming in your life? Are you going to remarry or in a relationship?
So this is a very loaded question.
Yeah.
A very loaded question.
अभी क्या हो? Single हो?
अभी
Relationship?
single, absolutely single.
Okay.
Right? Hit me up. नहीं.
Okay.
So yeah. So see, short answer, probably not. I might not get remarried ever. Right?
Okay.
Long answer. There's a lot of societal stigma to it. आपके पेरेंट्स, मतलब my mom and dad are extremely
After you?
devastated, and they every chance that they get, they have this thought, क्योंकि उनका like it's from a parent's perspective, आप चाहते हो कि आपके like your kids are settled, your kids are, from their perspective, unless and until you are married, you are not settled.
You're not settled.
You're not
Yeah,
settled.
true.
So but I have explained it to them. I have tried explaining it to them as recent as last weekend, because I was there with them. They were celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary. So it's very ironic. So I tried matlab, explaining it to them. Now, whether they get it or not, they want the best for me. I mean, from their perspective, them telling me to get married is about their aspect or their उनका तरीका, सोचने का तरीका कि लड़का अगर शादी हो गई है and he's settled, that's their work is done, they can I mean finally say okay, मतलब like the kids are settled. But I feel that once is enough. I feel, right? I mean, you've gone through certain things in life. I married when I was 24, 25, I guess.
Yeah.
25, right? So pretty early in life, right? The responsibilities that you get, I don't have a negative aspect to marriage, right? As in, nahi when I was not married, na during marriage, na after getting divorced. This is, I do not have I'm proud about my friends who are married, who have a happy life, and I do not despise marriage. मतलब I do not मतलब मुझे उसके बारे में मतलब कुछ खराब नहीं है. I mean, marriage is a very pious and a very good institution, and it everybody should experience that. I don't have any problems, but if it's a very personal choice, and for me, I don't feel that I want to be married again. Now, talking about, do you want to be in a relationship? As of now, I am perfectly fine being single, right? I mean, I'm not trying to run away from a relationship, but at the same time, a relationship is a um very personal and a very let's say, I mean, if you want to word it in the right way, एक commitment है.
लोनलीनेस कैसे हैंडल करोगे? कैसे करते हो ये बताओ?
Why do you see? There's a difference, being alone and being lonely, right? ये बहुत ही अलग चीज है. It's not about just because you're
You
single.
are alone.
Yes, but that
You
doesn't
never
mean that
felt
you're alone. That,
okay, so
but
you don't
that
feel
doesn't
loneliness?
mean you're lonely. No, okay. Let me uh, rephrase that, right? So, first thing, that there's a difference. Being single and being alone doesn't mean that you're lonely, right? Being single, loneliness तब आता है जब आपको उस चीज का दुख हो. अरे, आपके पास आपको कोई देखने वाला नहीं है, आपके साथ कोई सुख या दुख या गम बांटने वाला कोई नहीं है, राइट?
Right.
एंड आप उस स्टेज में you're feeling so helpless, you're feeling so vulnerable, that I would term as loneliness.
ये फीलिंग
But
नहीं आती है?
I don't. When I would say, when I came back from Australia, there was a period of about 2 weeks when I felt really helpless कि अब क्या, लाइफ में अब क्या, right? But then you move on in the sense you have a life to live. You are not हर दिन आप बैठ के एक पास्ट को लेके जीना उसमें, like that's not living, right? So I don't feel I don't feel lonely. Yes, I live alone. I cook on my own. I do my breakfast, but then, I mean, there is a house help who does take care of the rest of the work. But weekends, I go out. I go on my bike rides. When I come back, let's give you an example, right? I mean, we go out on bike rides for long duration. जैसे मतलब a week, 2 weeks का हमारा tour रहता है, right? Now, when we come back, on our way back, usually people are excited, right? Because they're going back to their family, right? In the flight, the discussion is about घर जाके मेरे को ये करना है, घर जाके मेरे को अपने wife को ये बताना है. Some of the wives are along with us itself, right? I mean, during the tour itself, but then they have that घर जाके मैं अपनी बेटी को ये बोलूंगा, मैं अपने बेटे को ये बोलूंगा, और I'll tell this story to my wife, I'll this. At that time, sometimes you feel
left out.
Gosh, when I come back home, I open the house to an empty house.
Nobody's there
right?
to open the door.
Nobody's there to share your stories, right? That is a
That
time
feels
when
bad. That sucks.
yes. और जैसे अभी मैं करता हूँ, after coming back, once you're settled down, you start posting your stories, right? I am pretty active on Instagram, so इंस्टा पे मैं मतलब स्टोरीज पोस्ट करता हूँ. So I don't post live stories. I always मतलब जब आने के बाद में I start posting all the stories and I flood the stories. Like people will be like, बस कर, मेरे को टैग मत करो, और please don't tag me. And I create highlights of the stories. I create that is not some people मतलब किसी लोगों को लगता है कि यार दिखाने के लिए कर रहा है. Actually वो that is my way of sharing my story. That is my way of expressing कि there's something happening in my life as well, right?
So you're not up for it.
Yeah.
For remarriage.
Yeah.
And you're also not up for a relationship.
I'm definitely not up for a marriage though. As मतलब जो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, right? अभी कि in terms of a relationship, you can never say no to
Someone,
the right person, right? एक point you मतलब आप क्या करते हो कि you try to find how the person adds to your happiness, right? As जो मैं बोल रहा था, right? Like you have to find someone who, जैसे if someone comes into my life and the person adds to
happiness,
the
value
happiness,
to your
that
life.
value to my life, happiness to my life, I may be in a relationship with that person, right? Now, whether that leads to another marriage or a thing like that, is I am not even giving it a thought, or ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, right? But for sure the next person जो रहेगा, it will be a very thoughtful and a very बहुत ही ज़्यादा like thought through process रहेगा, right? I mean you cannot be back in your 20s where you could, जोश में आके, just because you felt you want to take a decision and you fall in love, you go out and marry or something like that. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा mostly, but you will in your 40s you typically make a checklist, right? आप checklist बनाते हो कि ये है क्या, वो है क्या, ऐसा है क्या, does this, इसमें क्या अच्छाई है, क्या बुराई है, and things like that. And mostly when you are in your 40s, you try to look at the negatives more than the positive, right? So ultimately ज़्यादा rejections में ही जाते हैं list में, but then you ultimately might meet someone जिससे आप आपके ख्यालात मैच होते हो, आपके वाइब्स मैच होते हो, and that person makes you happy or rather adds to your happiness, then for
It's
sure
okay.
you can do that. But
So
yeah.
so okay, so you are a man in 40s,
Yeah.
and you have 2 super bikes, almost. You are affluent, earning good, सब कुछ है almost life का. there is one thing जो social acceptance या social conditioning बोलेंगे, partner, बीवी,
Yeah.
वो missing है. Are you now at a point in life where you think that life is beyond just a man and woman relationship? Have you found anything? आपका सोच क्या है इस पर? To explore life beyond relationships.
Yeah, so see, relationship is not the end goal, right? ऐसा, you should not, even in your relationship, that's not the end goal. That is never the end goal, right? I mean, whether you're in your 40s, whether you're in your 20s, whether you're in your 80s, right? एक social construct है लोगों का, मतलब कि a married person, a married or a marriage is the only way to happiness, right? या एक social term है, husband, wife, right? Father, mother, no, that is not the only definition of happiness, right?
That's not correct.
That I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think so. You can be alone, you can enjoy your life, right?
And be happy.
Being absolutely. I have not just me.
Is this for men?
No, all genders.
All
No,
genders.
all genders. It's not a men specific thing. I myself am a man. I live alone, but I am happy, and I have I know of people who are of both genders, men and women, uh, in all age groups, who are happy being alone. I know of people who are married and also are happy. I know people who are married and unhappy, and I know people who are
Single
and unhappy as well.
So it's
I
nothing to
know
do with the.
there is nothing to do. A relationship is not your definition of happiness, right?
Well said.
Yeah, right. Being in a relationship can make you happy or can add to your happiness. Yes, that is true. ऐसा नहीं है कि सोलो ही रहने से या सिंगल ही लाइफ रहने से आप हैप्पी होते हो, या इट्स नॉट ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट.
It's a choice.
It's a choice.
Depending on what you want.
Yes, and it's a decision as well. It's a choice and a decision as well.
But then this shouldn't be influenced by others, right?
Exactly.
This is what.
This is again, we are living in 2026 as a year, but हमारे ख्यालात 2026 के नहीं है, right? So we still are a society that feels bound by the norms and rules. हम society के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें करते हैं, right? इफ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी स्टिल स्टे मैरिड, बिकॉज वो टैग है आपके पास में लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, राइट? आई एम नॉट of that mold, and I don't believe that is even good for your relationship, right? I mean, मतलब आप किसी को दिखाने के लिए अगर आप कर रहे हो तो neither are you happy and neither will ultimately आप you'll go through certain things in life. You're not doing good for yourself, you're not doing good for your family as well, right? तो आप as a just एक society के लिए कुछ मत करो, and that applies to everything in your life, not just a relationship is one aspect to it, right? But do not, just be authentic and be honest about it, right? And there's no harm in enjoying your life, going out and having a coffee on your own, or having a breakfast of your own, or having lunch on your own. I mean, I do that almost every weekend, if not so many times.
खुद के साथ रहना
खुद के साथ रहना सीखो, and you have to be happy about it, right? I mean, you have a life. God has given you a life that you don't want to waste. I mean, आप यहाँ पे हो एक certain period of time के लिए, आप there are two ways to live about it, right? आप पास्ट में अरे मेरे साथ वो हो गया, मेरे साथ ये हो गया, आप उसमें दुख में रहो, या फिर ओके आपके साथ कुछ हुआ, you learn from it and you move on and you do things that make you happy, right? I mean, there's no उसमें मतलब there are certain things that have happened in your past, that those are memories, but they should not affect your future, right? आज आप जो कर रहे हो based on आज के deeds, your tomorrow is going to happen, right? So you don't have to that you as a person are not defined by your past, right? आपके साथ जो हुआ है, that is not your definition of your future, right? आज आप जो कर रहे हो, that is what will impact your future, right?
Right.
So
And also, me as a person is not defined by somebody else.
obviously,
I'm an
never
individual. I
you are
define
an
myself.
individual, and every decision that you take in your life has a consequence. You have to be brave enough, और आपके पास में you have to live your life being okay with the decisions you make. I am a big believer in that, right? No one else should take decisions on your behalf, and आपने जो decision लिया है, you should be okay with it. You cannot regret your decisions. You should not regret your decisions, right? That's a statement that I will make.
Yeah. Because whether it goes well or not well, it's your decision.
Exactly.
You should respect it.
Yeah, and matlab, you
Instead of others making your decision, you are making your own decision. That is
no
the
one
big
else
thing.
should make your decision. Why
that's
should someone else make your decision, right? आप अपना decision खुद लो, and you should be okay with it. And whatever, you have to face the consequences of your decision, and that's it. That you are you will be defined by your decisions, but that's okay. That is life. You win some, you lose some, right? So there's no point to it. Yeah.
Cool. So the crux ये है कि आप अपने लाइफ को fully experience कीजिए, enjoy कीजिए,
Enjoy कीजिए.
जो भी है, जिसके साथ भी हो, कोई भी नहीं भी हो तो भी चलता है तो भी चलता है, but point is कि आपको आना चाहिए लाइफ
के साथ में कोई नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You always have yourself.
Wow.
You always have yourself, right? आप someone can be an addition to your life, but you're always there for yourself, right? You cannot leave yourself. You are always there for yourself. So you're never alone. You're there for yourself, right? So yeah.
मजा आ गया ये बात सब. So on that note, thank you for coming. Thank you for sharing your heart out.
Yeah.
So happy to see you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to see you happy.
Yeah. Okay. It's a journey. It has been hard. And first of all, thank you so much. I mean, this is a completely new experience for me as well. But it's been a hard life, and there are some tough decisions that I had to make. But then again, as we just said, right, I do not regret any of those decisions. But this journey has taken me through a lot of things, and I want this journey to make to never regret about any other thing and be happy. And that's the journey I'm on, and I'll do everything to add to my happiness.
I can see that.
Yes. Chalo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.